If you're experiencing the Roblox Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue easily. This guide will help you unlock your saved data and get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve the error. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your browser or the Roblox app. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the error. Step 4. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates and install them if available, as updates often fix bugs and errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your Roblox experience.